About 5 years ago, I made this mecha fist on YouTube. Pneumatically powered, steel, punching fist. And about 2 years ago, it actually inspired Jairus to build his own version of the Fallout Power Fist. And just a few months ago, that inspired Full Metal Engineer to make his own version. Now looking at these new ones, I think I could do a lot better than this. One sec. So as you guys know, it's been about 5 years. I have a team of people working with me in this awesome workshop. In our last episode, Make It Real, we made the Doomfist. Now, let's see whose is the most destructive. Today's video sponsor is War Robots. War Robots is an awesome tactical 6v6 shooter that requires both fast reflexes and a keen sense of strategy to annihilate the enemy team. You get to choose your gameplay style with a robot that fits your style the most. With over 70 million downloads, it's super popular, and it's constantly updated with new robots and maps. Come play War Robots with me today. I especially like the weapon Shock Train, which uses high voltage to really zap your enemies. Install War Robots right now and get a huge starter pack of a Leo robot, 1 Kang weapon, 3 Molot weapons, 400,000 silver, and 100 gold. This offer is only available for a short time, so click my link in the description below to make sure you get your bonus and start playing War Robots today. Generous sponsors like War Robots ensure we're able to make awesome videos just for you. Alright, come on, Jairus, hurry up.
See our compressor plugged in. I think you go after the code first.
Next. Woohoo! Fucking pop.
Oh, that one hurts worse than a cinder block. Woo-hoo. This one. A little resilient.
Oh yeah, it's nice. Not much crush, but you definitely opened it.
I don't think so either.
Yours just bent. Yeah, it did.
I thought that was hardened steel, boy.
The front is.
Show it this way. Turn the camera. Yep. All right, Jairus, let's see how it's done.
Real power fist. Oh, it is harder. What are your cinder blocks made out of? Yeah, that thing's not breaking. Yes! Yes! It's not all powerful.
Well, let's see you do it then.
It's not all powerful. There it is. Oh my god.
I don't want to break my arm.
Yeah, screw it.
What are you doing here, Jairus?
Well, my power fist comes with an accessory, so I'm gonna see if I can break it with this.
All right, hope you guys enjoyed that collab with Full Metal Engineer and Jairus Aval. Make sure you check out their channels and see the full build and test videos that they've done for both of these power fists. As for you guys, what do you think was the best power fist that we showed today? We're looking for 3 categories: the most destructive, the most cool, the coolest? Yeah, that one? I don't know, look at this. Or the most functional? Did I already say that? And the most functional. It's not me. Anyways, check out the links in the description below, and thanks for watching.
Done.